So I've been seeing on the interweb people building their own computers, and I wanted to build me a gaming computer. Went ahead and got me some parts from a friend of mine named Bobby. He said that this would build me something that I'd be able to use for exactly what I wanted to use it for. I like the Nintendos and the Segas and with the little Sonic and stuff. I really likes and enjoys that kind of gaming. So I got me the parts and got the screwdriver and got the screwdriver. I didn't have me a fancy Swiss Army knife, but this will help me do what I need to do. And I got all my parts, like I said. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my hat off real quick and put it there. Okay. Let's see. Now, I couldn't afford me the fastest processor, but it'll get the job done. No, I'm just taking, put it in there, like the boy showed me. I watched that video once, and I feel pretty confident that I can do it myself. Let's see. How does this sucker go? Okay, I think it go. Okay. We'll go in there. You see this? Okay, let's see. Can't get it in there. Won't go. I can get the hammer. See, get it in there now. Nope, I won't go in there. Oh, there you go. Okay. Now, let's see. Hard to get them little pans in there. Hope it's okay. Okay, let's see. I got it, okay. Now, he said, Bobby. Hey, Bobby.
Yeah.
You said to use the thermal paste next, right after I get the thing in the thing?
The stuff in the tube?
Okay. Bobby said that I gotta use this paste. Looks like some grease that you find on come on, focus. Forget it. Anyway, and put this on there. Looks like I already had some on there. Hey, Bobby!
What you want?
Paste empty.
Did you push the thing?
I did push it. It's empty.
You'll be alright.
Okay. I got a little bit. How much I need?
Sure just need a little bit.
Okay. You got a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay. So I got my little bit of thermal paste on there, a little bitty block. Okay, I need this little block thingy. Now, you can put this on there. Oh, I see. Okay. Wait a second now. keep it on the newspaper. Baby said I could use a table to do this, but she said I had to do it down on the newspaper. So, there you go. Alright, so, got these here memory sticks. And, hey, Bobby, you said it 1 gigabyte? The 1 gigabyte sticks? Yeah. Bobby? Okay, you don't know where Bobby go. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna stick this down in there. Oh. Let's see. Let's get this down in there. Oh. Now the boy said I just stick it down in there like this and push it. But it don't go. It won't click. And both sides don't click. You don't get on there. Don't click, click, click. Okay, so maybe you can fix it all the way and get it fixed. Yep, there you go. It only fits one way. Only one way. Okay, now let's get the other one in there. Okay. All right now. Didn't have to use a hammer on that one. All right now. This goes in there like that. All right. Now, got the memory in there. Got the brain in there. Got everything on board there. So I put the board inside the case here. Get out of the way. The cable keep getting in my way. Okay. All right now. Oh. Now. All right there. Now then. There we go. Okay, got my screwdriver. We'll go over here. See if I can't get these screws in here. Okay. Man, this sucker just don't stay still. There you go. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, now. Let's get this sucker put together now. Okay. Get in there. Ain't got all the screws. I see more holes than I got screws. I'll just put 4 in it. 1 on each corner. All right now. Okay. Next screw. And go right here. Okay, let's see. Right now, I got these on. Gotta look at it. Oh, I got one more screw put in. Okay, wait a second now. Because I got 1, 2, 3. Here comes the number 4. Alright now. There we go. Like I said, I got all these parts from Bobby. He's a good old boy of mine. Brandon, you got it. Oh, I better watch what I say. Okay. He's a friend of mine. He got all these parts for me. So, we're going to put this box, this juice box in there. That's where all the juice go. You know where it is. It gets in there and then boom. It's for the juice. Alright, so we'll put it in there. Wait a second now. Go like this. Alright, let's see. Uh-oh. Mine ain't got them electrical pads. Hey, Bobby. Oh, yeah, Bobby gone. Bobby gone. Alright, now. Gonna see if I can get this in there. It don't go. Oh, there it go. Okay, there it go. Okay. Now, put the screws in there. And them screws tight. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That ain't good. It's upside down. How many screws can I get in? Yes, number one. It's got a screw in it. It's got one. It's upside down, but it's okay. It'll still work for what we need to do. Okay. It'll get the job done. Okay. Alright, now, let's get it in there. Okay, that's in there. Where did this sucker go? Bobby. Oh, yeah, Bobby gone. Okay. Well, it looks like it go here. Okay. It looks like it go here. This go here, I think. Yep, that goes there. Where these go? Oh, this goes right here. Oh, I see. Okay. There we go, that goes there, right there. Alright, and this goes here. We'll see where they can go later. Oh, I gotta put this fan on here. Okay, hold on. See if I can get this fan on. Hold on now. Should have done it better. Okay, it's all knotted up. Hold on. Alright now. Let's see. Okay, I can go back here. Okay, there you go. There we go. Okay. Alright, that's good. Next one. We'll do this one down here. That way it's a little bit more easy to do. Yeah, right. Oh, you got it. Okay. I think that should do it. Yeah, that's good. Oh, and I see it just goes right through here. Alright, look at that. Find out where this goes. Oh, it goes right here. Okay. Look at that. Alright. Perfect. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Now, got the hard drive right here. See, and then I got this little adapter. I think I got everything else ready to go. Okay. Oh, these cables, I gotta hook up these cables. Let's see, it only fits one way. Bobby kept telling me it only fits one way. Okay. There it goes. Okay, click. Okay. Click. Come on. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, this goes here. Okay. Now then. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Oh. Nope. There you go. Okay. Now, I can get this down there. Oh, I guess I should have clicked it on and then clicked it in. Oh, other side. Okay, there we go. Oh, oh, there we go. Okay. All right now. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I found it. Okay. Ugh. That. So you just use them cable to wrap them nice and tight around there. Keep everything on nice and tight. We like nice and tight now. Okay. That's a little too tight. Okay. Oh. Hold my cable like this. Okay. Let's stick this one down there. Yeah, I'll just put them over there. Yeah, and again, look, hold them cables nice and tight. Look at that. Perfect. All right, now look, folks. Okay. Got yourself a fine machine here. Yeah, okay. Where's the metal side? Oh, oops. Okay. It's okay, folks. It's okay. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Uh-oh. I'll have to get the hammer. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Oh, messing up baby's table. Oops. All right there. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry, dog. Got my dog. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, there you go. See, use a hammer. There we go, folks. Got my gaming computer. I can run a couple video games on here. I like me that Tetris. Love me some Tetris. And me some Mario. Alright, folks. Let's see if we can't turn her on. Don't need the cables. This one goes here. Get in there. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, and this one goes here. Kind of idiot proof at this point. I got this done by now. I got it. Okay. Why ain't this going in there? Make me get the hammer, boy. Oh, see. Went in. Alright, now. Okay, let's see. Put that up there just in case. I'm gonna plug it in too. See, I got this monitor over here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright. See, we just put this this down here. This goes over here. See, oh, I need the power. Okay. Okay. Set. Okay. Camera. Okay. I need the power for this. Okay. Hook all this up and see if we can get some video games going on here. Alright, let's see if we can't get this sucker to come on now. See if we can't get this sucker to come on. Uh-oh. That's not good. Hey, Bobby!